the thing that I'm just wishing now. I just wish this baby I'm carrying is for someone else. It's actually a surrogate. Like all this one I they do so. All this stress when I they do so. All this one. If I now you to do and finish, give the person the Pikin. I don't know say na like you. I have 9 months of this. I just wish it's a surrogate. Like I'm carrying it for someone. When I will born and finish, go through the stress.
When I know this girl, Sarah T Boss. Yeah, Sarah T Boss. I dey waka for TikTok this evening. I see when they talk about that. If anybody if you can carry your born Pikin, may they can carry. May she say still relax. Saga between her and unborn baby daddy. Yeah, I hope everybody go don't see the saga on social media. My dear sister, there is no need for you to find anybody to give your born Pikin for. If you go now for hospital, tell social they hospital for Spain, all Spanish hospital when they give birth, social food there. So it's the best way for you to tell them to give, make social carry. No need for you to find person to help you to carry your child. Just tell social, make they carry her. See what when they talk for mouths. Because when you never born on this life, you don't they wish me person can help you carry her. It's too early, my darling sister. So my little advice for you, if that thing a saga, stop it. Not be everything they tell they do saga. But if you wish say yes, na reality based on say you get saga between you and unborn baby daddy, I will advise you as you they give birth for hospital. So shall they work for hospital? Just give her to them so that you will get opportunity to relax. Okay? Nonsense. Pikin, you never born and make you hold her for a while. May you see, if you born just now, your mentality will change. That sign of being a mother, it will change. Eh? There are things you say in public. There are things you don't even say. Fine, say you get your baby daddy, all those boyfriend issue. You understand me? So, but you don't need to be saying all those things for your own child that you carry for 9 months. 9 months foul. 9 months is just like a year. You are just saying something stupid now. Based on saying you get problem with all those people who are the saga on herself. You the saga, they saga. Your wish una they enjoy the saga. You said na saga queen. But for you, see that there. For you to they talk about say, oh, you want to give your baby to Pepsi. If you even see Pepsi carry the baby or your unborn baby, you say go see chance stay relax. My dear, it's too early. Oh. If it's a saga, stop it. It's not be everything until they do saga. Sometimes you apply sense. So in case you don't see anybody when you carry her, as an advisor, who I might be on social media when I been and now they tell you, social they all hospital for Spain. Social they there. In case you don't want her, social can easily take her, him or her. Okay? This is a message for you, young girl. Where be say you don't pass age of 30, age of 30 something. You dey early 30 or late 30. You know say you dey waka kere waka and you know they use rubber. Anytime can be 6 o'clock. So it's better you prevent yourself for Pikin when you know want than you go get the belly, you go carry and come out and come they use on the saga baby daddy on social media. So if you don't pass age of 30 or 35, you don't pass the age to abort Pikin, you don't want to do abortion. It's better for you to they use rubber to prevent yourself or for those waga one they do for social media. Prevent yourself. Because assuming say she prevents herself now, she use rubber, she know can't get this pregnancy. This baby daddy no go say no want again. And this is a message for now when be men. Woman when you not like, no they use ordinary body till they sleep with her. Use rubber. Because if you say me you go do one night standing till they bring president, Pikin if he come out for there. Princess and prince fit come out for there. So you know if you tell woman when don't pass age of 30 or 35 or 39 or 40 may go spoil Pikin, and maybe that person don't even they find Pikin for years. It's a message for you when be men when they waka kere. you put this woman now, you put her for make on the talk for social media. Maybe not be so you tell her before, as the people they sweet you, you go tell her, say, oh, you love you, I love you, I don't care about your character. Now when Pikin don't come now, you don't dey run. So if you are a man, you are watching this video, you don't want woman, or you dey waka kurukere, carry condom put for inside your purse, inside your wallet, so that to avoid unwanted pregnancy. Because she not be small Pikin. Assuming say that age of 20 is still there, not 30 now. Maybe as Bella enter, I go say, I beg me, I go spoil her. But she don't pass that age to do abortion. And secondly, she said never even get any child where they call her mommy. Una dey get sense. Say that it's too early for you to be saying all those things down. The day when you dey born, your mindset will change. That mother feeling will dey inside you. Stop, calm down. Calm down. Now wrong man, now you give you belle. It dey happen for young girls. Plenty. You are not the only one. But stop creating all those videos down for your son. It's not good. They look for one carry your born child. It's too early now. It's too early. So in case you no see, I beg, I dey advise you, social day hospital for any hospital for Spain where they give birth. There is a service of social worker there when will help you take your Pikin. So there is no need for you to look for anybody. That is my little advice for you for this video. Thank you for helping me to share, like, and comment. Bye.